The roles page is where you decide what each employee can do, both at the counter and in the back office. Define a role once, then attach it to as many employees as you need. Click Roles under Staff and Payroll in the sidebar to open the list. LaundryVerse ships with 4 default roles: owner, admin, manager, and cashier. Owner is locked. The other 3 can be customized or used as templates. Click Add Role to build a custom role from scratch. Type a name for the new role. Keep it short and specific so it reads clearly in the Employees table. Permissions split into 2 areas. Point of Sale covers the counter tablet. Dashboard covers the back office. Each area groups its permissions into categories for quick scanning. Tick a category checkbox to toggle every permission in that group at once. Use the individual checkboxes below it for finer control. Heads up! Managing roles requires the Manage Roles permission. The default owner and admin roles both have it. Assign it to other roles here for trusted managers who handle permission changes.